Okay, number 9, Hannah draws, this is Unit 6 Review Part 2. Number 9, Hannah draws a towel from the bag and records the results. The bag contains the letters CHICKEN. Which of the following statements is true? Drawing a vowel and consonant are likely. Okay, so I'm going to do the vowels and consonants just because it looks like it's going to talk about that a lot. So there are 1, 2 vowels, right? 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there are 5 out of 7 consonants. So it says drawing a vowel and a consonant are equally likely. Well, that's clearly not it, right? Because there are 2 7s and 5 7s. She is 2.5 times more likely to draw a consonant than a vowel. Okay, well, a vowel is 2 times 2.5 would be 5, and that's exactly what it is, right? So I think this was work. Let's look. Less likely. Ooh, no, that's not it, because that says less likely. E and D. She is twice as likely. No, if she was twice as likely, it would be 4. And then she is 2.5 times more likely to draw a consonant than a vowel. Is that not saying the same thing as B? This is the right answer. She's more likely to draw a consonant, 2.5 times more likely to draw a consonant than a vowel. Okay? And then number 10, Valerie's middle school has 700 students. She randomly selected a group of 80 students from her middle school and asked their favorite hobby. She recorded the responses in the table below. Based on these results, which inference can be made about the number of students who would, at her school, who would name reading as their favorite hobby? Okay, well, reading is 12 out of what? 80. 12 out of 80, okay? Can I simplify that?
No.
Yes, they're both divisible by 2. Okay, 4 goes into it, so I'm going to go with 4. So that's going to be 3. And I'm going to get 3/20ths, okay? And then it says, make inferences about out of a school is 700. Well, let's see how many out of 700 would like reading. Okay, so 3 times 700 is 2100. 20 times x. Divide by 20. I did. Divide by 20. So 2100 divided by 20 is, so 0 times there, and then drop your other 0 down and get 5 there. And we should get 105. So if we had the same proportion throughout the entire school, we would have 105 students who liked reading out of 700. Valerie concluded that it is less likely a student in the school would either like reading or sports and they will like video games. Okay, reading or sports is 37 compared to 5. That's not going to be true. Valerie concluded that 105 students in her middle school would prefer reading as a hobby. Well, that's what we kind of got right there, right? Valerie concluded that it's more likely a student in her school will either like reading or video games and will fishing. Well, reading and video games is 17 and fishing is 20. So that's not going to be true. And then Valerie concluded that less than 100 students in her school would like reading. No, we decided it would be 105. So B is your answer there. I don't know.